Good morning, John Taylor here with Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, I-55 exit number 41 with your 41-second update on the new 2019 Ram 1500. Before you buy a pickup truck, I invite you to talk to any owner of the new 2019 Ram 1500. With one test drive, you'll see and feel the difference between Ram and our competition. The 2019 Ram provides the highest level of technology, efficiency, innovation, and strength that our customers demand. First-time drivers are blown away by the advanced 12-inch touchscreen, new aerodynamic body style, and real wood and leather interior. Our Ram customers will tell the story. Don't compromise. Compare Ram to our competition and you'll drive home in a new 2019 Ram 1500. Stop by for a test drive. We have your next Ram in stock. This has been your 41-second update from John Taylor, Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, I-55 exit number 41, where we love to see you happy.